One of the coolest trees ever. This is a weeping traveler redbud, and the reason I love this tree is because it looks good in all seasons. So right now it's about to start blooming, and you can really see the architecture of the branches because it is a weeping plant. The branches are going to eventually reach all the way down to the ground, and this one, because it's out in an open field in full sun and getting exposed to a lot of wind, it's getting these like really upturned branches where the wind has pushed it and kind of shaped these branches in a really unique and interesting way. We're going to come back to this plant in a week or two when it's in full bloom, and you're going to be amazed at how it looks. We're back, folks, and I got my Redbud shirt on today, and it's looking really good. And actually yesterday it was looking fantastic, and then we had a crazy thunderstorm and intense hail and rain, so it actually knocked a bunch of the blooms off, but it still looks really good. So wanted to show you this today. So you can see how it just gets completely full of these flower buds, which are edible, by the way, which is another really cool thing about it. And then once the flower buds start to fade, you'll see little leaflets coming out, and it's going to get these really pretty green glossy leaves all over it. You can kind of see some of the leaves up here, how they are starting to come out now. This tree here is just about full size. So you can see it's about 7 feet tall, and I'd say 6 feet wide or so. And that's a really nice size for most people's landscape or even up closer to the house.